Welcome back to the channel, guys. Click like, subscribe for more content. We're actually going back into the trading phase of the channel, so the next few months will be on trading, and then we'll go back to the Amazon and making money online stuff. So this is just a portion of this making money online channel, making money online. So in the last video, we had the trend lines and trends, and I discussed three things that we're going to discuss in this video, which is the channel, which is where the the actual candles are moving, support, and then the actual resist line. So as you can recall, maybe in the last video, but maybe you're just joining us in this video. So I'm going to actually delete this so you can actually see how this works. Delete that. So in order for me to draw a support or resist line, it actually has to start at some point. So you usually start at the end of the trend. So I will start here. So I will go here and draw a line, a straight line. You don't need the diagonal line or upside down line. So that would be my support. So what does support mean? Anything that bounces off this line and trends up will be required to be a support line. So until it breaks that trend, so until it breaks that line, it acts as a support. It usually is going to bounce off that line depending on the liquidity of the market. And then this is where once it bounces off that line, this is where you want to take your buy or your buys right here. So again, you don't want to trade in the middle of a candle, so you will go right at the strike point and execute a buy, depending on the strategy that we will discuss later on in the upcoming videos. So that is the support line. The resistance line is where you want to start at the beginning of the trend. So support at the end of the trend and at the beginning of the trend is the resistance line. Right here between these two lines, you have something called a channel. So the channel is between these two lines. So you can have all three trends going. You can have your downward trend. You can also have your side trend, and then you also can have an upward trend. Okay. Now these are interchangeable. What do I mean by interchangeable? Okay. Say this line, this trend is broken through the support or either through the resistance line. So we're just going to talk about the support line first. So just say this market goes and breaks this support line. So at the end of that trend, you're going to leave this line here, which is acting as the support line here, and you're going to flip-flop it. So you want to make sure if it breaks this line, so say if it comes all the way down here, you want to draw a new line to the new trend here, and then this becomes your resistance line, and this becomes your support line. Okay, so let me reiterate that again. So if it breaks this line and it keeps going down, at the end of the trend, you want to draw a new line, and that becomes your new channel. So this will become your new channel here. Oh, excuse me. Right. So this will become your new channel. And until it breaks or the resistance or the support line, you kind of see it. Now if it breaks the resistance line, so say it goes up by several candles and it ends the trend, then this will become your support line, and then you can draw a new trend line. So say if it goes up back up here, it goes back up here. Now this will be your new channel, okay? So once it hits this, and then it keeps going down, and then you have your different types of supports. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys, on supports. resistance and the channels. Okay, it's very very simple. And once we start talking about the strategies that we're going to start doing, it'll make more sense. But right now, this is just the basic parts of you learning how to chart and trade. So, and also this works for any type of trading. So forex trading, it works for stock trading, options, any type of trading that you use in a chart or a market chart, uh, or candles. You can also use this, and it works the very same way on any platform. So click like, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video.